Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to XO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. What's good, everybody? It's your boy Dre. We're about to check out XLOV. Been loving this stuff, man. Whether I check it out on Twitch, on my live streams, whether I upload a reaction on YouTube, check it out on my TikTok, anywhere I check out XLOV, I'm loving it, bruh. Now we got Rizz. Now I don't know about the word Rizz. Do people still use Rizz? I mean, XLOV is. So I guess everybody is. Again, it's your boy JRE from the YouTube channel JREKML. Be sure to check out the Patreon. Be sure to check out my live stream. I'm live streaming tomorrow. We're checking out Game Caterers. I don't know if you know who that is. Game Caterers JYP edition. I think it's a whole JYP family playing games together. It should be a good time. We're going to check it out tomorrow on Twitch live stream, 6 p.m. PST. But without further ado, let's get some XLOV in our life. Oh, is there no captions yet? Did I hear a whip noise? Oh, a slap noise. Oh, that is not a slap. That is a straight up punch. What the hell are you wearing? What the hell is on his face? Is that paint? I got earrings and everything. They slapping hoes up in here. Ooh, they always serving looks. Ah! Off the bat with the fucking split. That was crazy. Ooh. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, oh, what the heck? Oh, oh my God! I think I saw that on the teaser as well. Sorry for pausing on. I'll stop. Hold up. Ooh, I like that hair. Ooh, 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 ooh. God damn. Oh. Ooh, ooh. It has like some sorry for pausing it. I do apologize. If you guys want to check out the music video, link in the description down below. But it gives me that mystique, the X-Men mystique every time they change. Ooh. Okay, wait, hold up. Yeah, yeah. Oh, you look beautiful. What the hell? Someone dead? Oh my God. I just... An eye? Ooh. Ooh. Run that back. I like the dancers. Like they're like on like kind of a pyramid kind of, or they're piled up. The dancers in the background, or the extras in the background. Ooh. Yeah. I gotta rev that engine. Rev that engine. Oh. Ooh, what that, Bob? Nails. Love it. The Spectre? Oh, yeah, the weapons. Ooh, oh. Yeah, got that Rizz. Yeah, it's like that. I got thick fingers, my bad. My fingers are not like theirs. Ah, is that it? Is that it? Ooh, Unlove. Oh my God. Off the bat, rated 12. I feel like there's a higher rated version in this. Damn, they really hitting themselves. What the hell? That's crazy. Wait, okay, so as you see here, we don't have captions at the moment. Damn. I wonder why. Let me see. Let me read. No captions right now. No captions right now. But off the bat. Ooh, off the bat with this split. God damn. Yeah, I got that. Bah. If they started twerking too on the split, oh my lord. Please, 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 please. Hey, hey. Oh my god. What the fuck? That lick is crazy. They look beautiful, by the way. Ooh. Ooh. Hey, hey. Definitely one of my favorite groups of this new generation. Ooh. Oh my god. I can't do that. Or is it? Wait, how do they do it? Is it the middle finger? No, it's yeah. Oh, that's a lot easier. The look. I got that Rico shake. Hey, yeah. But I think one of my favorite parts is right here. Right here is one of my favorite parts. Right here. Hey. I'll put a comments down below what you guys think of XLOV Rizz. Last time I heard Rizz was Taman. He had a title track called Rizz. I like the way they hit that Rizz. Like the way the whole cadence of the whole like song and package, even the music video itself was fire. You know, the way I mean, it's like the whole package. When you think K-pop, it's the whole package, the music video, the marketing, the members, the new outfits, the song, how it all fits together like a puzzle. And it fits very well. That's for sure. All right, y'all. Show some love to XLOV. Link in the description to the whole music video. Go stream it. Go give it some love. It's your boy Dre. Be sure to like my video, share this video, and subscribe. Hope you guys have a great day. It's very late right here in LA at the moment. I would love to see XLOV live one point. I don't know if they ever come to LA. Hopefully, I could ever get to interview them, do some collaborations. That'd be fire. I think that'd be dope. But that's just me wishing and manifesting. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work through it. It might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Again, I'll go live on Twitch, 6 p.m. PST. Come through.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now.